Right, getting straight into email yanamhlanje. Hello, greetings Gagasi. I'm a newlywed and I recently made a shocking revelation emshadweni wami and angazi ukuthi ngimise kanjani. I'm married to a husband who I've always known, or should I say I've always believed was in the private security industry. He works odd shifts and is usually out of the province because of the nature of his work. We've now been married for 2 years, and ngisanda kungena embuthweni rather wamasosha, which he made clear ukuthi akathandi ngikwenze. I now understand why he didn't want me to pursue this dream of being the first and last defense of the country. Yingoba uzazi yena. Ngisho ukuthini ngalokho? A couple of months ago, I found an envelope ewardrobhini yethu with a picture of 2 men, and I didn't make anything out of it because vele usebenza ngabantu. A few weeks ago, ngathola enye futhi imvilophu, this time ibihamba with a burner phone, upopopo, a picture of a different person. Mengivula iphone, it had details on text on how this must be a clean job, unlike the last time. Namanje ngisazibuza ukuthi could it be that umnyeni wami uyinkabi? How do I begin to confront him? Maybe there's somebody out there who's been in a similar situation that I'm in. Ngicela ukuboniswa ngoba ngiphithene ikhanda. I honestly had hope for you guys ngoba kuqala inyanga enje. I was like, okay, surely inkinga za this month azizokufana nale inkinga senike nangithumela zona since the beginning of this show. But whoa, now we're dealing with possible nkabis. I don't know. I've never been in this situation. I don't even know ukuthi ungaqala ngaphi uconfront umuntu about insolo zokuthi ngenzeka abi inkabi yini noma cha. Maybe you are in the industry. Is it safe for umuntu othanda nawe ukuthi akubuze ukuthi baby, are you really this person? Could it be? Noma into ekufanele iyekwe nje. Izitshwe nje until kube khona ongena egodini. What do you suggest Anonymous does? 0861596596. You can also reach me on WhatsApp 078-934-2827. We're also on the socials, the Lift Off on Gagasi FM. Please also, when you're leaving your comment, whether by phone, noma by voice note, nomi nje mupawula about the situation, please be kind. Let's remember, ukuthi, this is a no judgment zone, all right? Also, Anonymous that has written to us is listening. So sensitivity is a must. Mahlikihla?
Hello Mazwane.
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila mkhaya kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Ukwamashu?
Yes, ngqongqo mntana.
All right. Talk to me. Wena utho Anonymous amise kanjani?
Hey, namhlanje nje sithanda ukuhluka kuwo wonke sake saba na.
True. We've never dealt with something like this before.
Yeah, and it's very tricky, I must say. Yabo ngoba ingakuphica ekugcineni kosuku into efana le. Because othi ngibeke nje okuncane. You see, when it comes to private security, umuntu ofana nomyeni wakhe ngiyalingana, maybe mhlawumbe ubekwi task force, maybe wasuka kwi task force noma baphelelwe leso sikhathi somsebenzi le, but because he has the necessary skills and qualifications, umuntu ofana naye uyinyama, yabo, when it comes to assassinations. Mhlawumbe ngenzeka ukube bamsebenzisa in that kind of form because he has the necessary skills. Yabo?
Yo.
Also times 2. Most guys abakwi private security. Private security and the task force. There are jobs abanikezwa wona which is aside from duty yakho. Yabo? Be assignwe ngenxa yokuthi emasosheni esinawo noma kuleli utho lethu esinalo, but ubani nobani unama skills athanda ukuba additional kulento le. So umsebenzi ofana nalo engakhona ukwenza ngoba usisikhona la kangachazi khona ukuthi kwakwayibona ni pay slip kamyeni wakhe, yabo, izinto zonke kumele ngabe uyayithika aqala ukuthi unayo ni pay slip, unayo yini pay isha kuthiwa kanayo ke pay slip. But if every private security, there should be a normality,
a trail of sorts.
Yes, exactly.
You seem to know a lot about the security industry and what umuntu osebenza kuwo lo mkhakha would be able to do as freelance work on the side. I guess kubize kanjalo. Have you been part of private security?
No, I've never been part of private security, but I know close guys who are part of it. Force.
Banayo inswebu yokuba ama-assassinator?
Abanayo ngeke ubabone nhlobo ngabanayo because mesi sonke ndawonye ngeke uzubona.
Kodwa ngeke uzumangale mekungathiwa babuye babe izone inkabi.
No ngeke uzumangale because umuntu ukutshela ngento akuyona phakathi ukuyithatha ukuyiforce ukuphakathi force ethizeni but uyakwazi ukukutshela ukuthi abantu abathizeni babuye behlule ukushayeka but ngoba thina sinawo lo ma skills abanye bethu babuye sebesetshenziselwe lonto ukuze bengashiyi paper trail yabo.
Jeez. Usandra Magumede kaMadlala Sozabe on Facebook uthi part of me wants to say confront him, but the other part is scared for your life. At the same time, how would you continue with this marriage after this huge discovery? Yo kunzima bafethu. Unchengwane uthi confront him. He's your husband. Be calm and respectful in your approach for your own safety. As a law enforcement officer and a wife, you will then decide afterwards ukuthi umisa kanjani. Kodwa ke good luck. Nginguye Mbatha uthi lo myeni wakho uzokubulala stru. Mthinayi uthi isiZulu sithi ayinuki ingosiwe. Baleka ngenyawo zombili. Once wabanjwa yena, they'll come for him and his family, and that includes you. That's how this business works. This one is from Utroy Zikote. Angivale la with a comment ka DJ Udroja rather. Stay good. Uti, start by checking your funeral policy. If it's updated, then ask him, because once he knows ukuthi usuyazi, God will open his hands to you. Ooh, all right. Selby?
Someone nje siyaphila mntanasekhaya.
Angazi noma ngiyaphila nokusaba nje.
Yazi tsumani izokayike. Wenje ubhuda yikho i-tax force akuyona. Can be ukuthi a recipe message ethi next time wenze
last time clean job.
Yes. Yabo it's vividly ukuthi lo bhuti uyi-sniper nje mfethu yabo. Bengizothi mina kusisi akavele come avela athi yazi ngiyazi ukuthi ubhuti ngabe nawo umuntu athi akucabanga ukuthatha umfazi wesibili sibe babili ngoba lo njobe yedwa abantu besifazane nje sihluleka ukukhayita ezinye izinto ngelinye ilanga kufika abantu bezomfuna lo bhuti uyazi ukuthi inkabi mesifuna ukubulawa kuthangwe enye inkabi izobulala enye inkabi seyishaya yonke into usisi nje usengiyophenenzi and ngisho ngamconfront amthethe yasithanda sami kunezinto engizibonayo uzothi uzophahla yonke ibhomu lo muntu
usey-liability vele ngoba khona into aseyisola. Now, how about this approach engicabanga manje? Because usisi is in law enforcement, uyisosha, right? Would she not be better off asking for usizo kumuntu amthembayo mhlambe from work? I approach esene protection already on the back end, so that whatever response the husband gives, at least she has some sort of security.
Yeah, nje sangakwenza lokho but bekithi akube nendlela ahlehle mhlambe kancane angangisa ukuhlehla ngoba yabo lento isenje inkabi mfethu inkabi ayishintshi ngenile and le nto leyana ingathi iyathalana mos yabo uma kwaba khona inkabi ekhaya kohlezi kunenkabi yabo yabo nje ubhuti sekubonakele vele inkabi usisi njobe yisosha phela she's clever uyakwazi ukubona zonke izinto iprofile yakhe ingaphekwa kwakayikale kabhuti so nje ubhuti bohlezi bemnikeza amagig ehleze nemali eshagig and okubhlungu imali ke ihlezi yenze njalo ungathi ngalokho ulandene yena indlela elula mhlawumbe ukuthi it's better because vele usisi uyisosha yabo akazama ukuthi athole umunye umuntu lalela ngicela sibe babili ahleke kancane kulento ahleke kancane ngisho nasembhedeni egcine sebheda mosa esethi nakukhulu agcine sayibhedela
amshaye ngama mind game kugcine kuwubhuti othi hayi suka ngiyakushiya ngisakufuni. Okay,
atshengise nje ukuthi akasazi kwenza ngisho ama movement yabo ngendlela eright akasamkhiphi khanje yabo aba ungoko nje yabo uyabheda lona angiqhubeke nalo nayo hey umuntu wami uthanda ukuthi nokuthi vele sesibabili okhululeka nje uyathanda umenze kanje lo ongakwenzi.
No, icebo lelo Mselipana ngiyakuzwa. Thank you so much for your advice. I hope Anonymous also has it penciled down as one of the things that you suggest ukuthi she do to handle this situation, because it is quite tricky. Unti Mnisi uthi, yo, it's either you find ways to divorce him or just continue staying. But whatever you do, don't let him know that you know. Do not confront him. Ukonqi Sotobe uthi ungambuzi ngoba usuzoba sengozini masazi ukuthi usuyazi, ngoba ngeke athembe ukuthi uzokwazi ukugcina lemfihlo. So nje cha, ungambuzi, shaya ngathi awuboni, mhlawumbe uphume futhi kulowo mshado, ngoba vele kwamanje ukwenkulu ingozi, ngoba mase bemfuna bazoqala ngawe kwaze kwanzima. Let me wrap up with Usabelo ulapha eMachobeni eNanda. Hello Sabelo. Sabelo.
Yebo Mazwane ngikhona.
Ukumeda Capital.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is a good or bad thing.
Mazwane ngiyabona usisi ngiyamzwela esimeni akusona. Nanokuthi ngiyafisa nami ukuthi abe nendlela yokusizakala. Kodwa nginovalo uma usubhuti uyinkabi ngempela. Nginovalo umfethu lo kade ekhuluma nje manje efonini umethi noma ngamncisha empedeni azama indlela yokumbalekela. Labafethu abayinkabi abajwayele ukudedela uma ukuthi banothando lakho ngempela angeke bamvumela ahambe kalula kanjalo.
Yo.
Number 2, I think sisters if enayo indlela yokunyamalala, because vele yena ungaphansi kombutho wamasosha, ime nayo indlela yokunyamalala, I suggest ukuthi enze njalo vele anyamalale without any warning, because once ubhuti wazi efe inkabi ngempela, once ubhuti wazi I really doubt ukuthi usisi uzosurvive.
But uma eyinkabi ngempela, wouldn't he have the resources to find her noma ngabe ukuphi? Isn't that what they do vele?
Kuyenzeka, but njengokubuka kwami uma usisters kwi-military, I guess now ama sources now ukuthi akwazi unyamalala emehlweni abantu. So I suggest ukuthi yena ndlela angasurvive ngayo, because khona umfethu engimaziyo well usebamthula nabamfuna bamthola ke njengayo kweyinkabi. Well akulula ukubaleka kulabafethu abakanjeyana. Akulula ukuthi nje uhlukane nayo kuphele kanjalo. Yeah, so I suggest ukuthi athole indlela ukuthi anyamalale without any warning or without ukuthi nje contact anyone from a side lakhe.
Got it. Thank you so much for your call, Sabelo. Ube safe lapha eNanda.
Siyabonga.
All right. And this is how we wrap up Iketile for this morning. I hope, Anonymous, you stay safe lapho khona. Whatever course of action you decide to take, I think from my side, prioritize ukuphepha kwakho kuqala. Rope in some people that you know in law enforcement, and as Usabelo is suggesting, maybe ubacele nabo bakulekelele in disappearing. I don't know for how long, and I don't know if your disappearance mhlambe nako kuzofaka umndeni wakho ke manje engcupheni. It's just a very, very tricky situation to be in. But whatever course of action you decide on, prioritize your safety. All the very best, and we love you as a fam.